In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off GitHub Copilot code completion in VS Code. So in case your GitHub Copilot inside the VS Code is completing your code and you don't like that, you like it to stop, of course, I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So go up here to the File tab, click on File, and then go down to the Preferences, hover over it, and then click on Settings over here. Inside Settings, go to the box where you can search Settings and type in Copilot. And then once you do that, you'll see a bunch of things over here. So it's going to say GitHub Copilot enable, and then there's going to be this table. So what you're going to have to do, where you can see this asterisk over here, and if it's set to true, you want to make it false. And the way you do this is by hovering over it, going to the right over here where it says edit item. Click on that, go over here where it says true, and then click on it, make it false, and then press OK. And just like this, you have now successfully turned off the code completion feature from GitHub Copilot in VS Code. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.